I'm going to be showing you how to fix missing desktop icons in your MacBook. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you can do, if all your desktop icons have disappeared, then make sure that desktop is enabled in Finder. What you need to do is just look down at the docs and time button. This Finder option right here, just tap on it and make sure that in this left sidebar you have this option that says desktop. Sometimes macOS groups icons into stacks, so just right click on desktop like this. Make sure it doesn't have the option that says use stacks. So if it has, then just turn it off. You can also just restart Finder. Just look at the docs, double tap them, and just close the one you have and tap on new Finder window. Or you also have the option of Option, Command, and Escape. So this will help you force quit or relaunch applications. So just tap on Relaunch Finder and this will help you. You can also try restarting your computer altogether. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor glitches. So in these ways, you can successfully fix desktop icons missing from your MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.